So most med spas don't have a traffic problem. They have a leaky bucket problem. You can run ads, post on Instagram, hire influencers, but if your system is leaking, you're just wasting money faster. So today, we'll show you how to plug the biggest marketing leaks in your med spa fast, so every dollar you spend actually turns into bookings. So we work with service-based businesses and med spas to fix broken marketing systems. And almost every struggling clinic that we see is doing more marketing rather than fixing what's already broken. So let's change that today. Leak number one, you have a weak first contact experience for your customers. So your marketing doesn't start with ads, it starts with the first contact. If someone clicks your Instagram bio or your Google listing and they land on, say, a slow website or confusing messaging or no clear next step, you've already lost them. Here's a fast fix for you. You should have just one clear booking path. You should have instant trust signals on your website. You should have one primary call to action. Clarity is what converts in 2026. The second leak is you treat all customers the same. See, not every lead is ready to book today, but most med spas treat curious browsers, first timers, repeat clients exactly the same. That is wrong. You shouldn't do that. That's a leak. Here's a fast fix for you. So you should segment leads by intent. There should be those who are just researching, those who need consultation, those who are ready to book. Relevance should increase your response. Leak number three, you have no speed to lead system. Here's a brutal start for you. See, the first clinic to respond usually wins. If it takes hours or days to reply to a DM or a form submission, the client has probably already moved on very fast. So here's a fix for you. You should have auto replies. You should have AI or scripted first responses. You should have booking links sent instantly because speed builds trust. Leak number four, over-reliance on social media. Well, Instagram is great, but it's rented land. And if your entire marketing depends on social media, your one algorithm change away from panic. So here's a fast fix. You should build an email list, or you should capture WhatsApp contacts. You should drive traffic back to your website. You should own your own audience. Leak number five, you have no follow-up, which equals lost revenue. Most clients don't book after the first interaction, but if you don't follow up, they disappear. Well, here's a fast fix. You should have automated follow-up sequences, education plus reassurance, gentle, very gentle reminders. Follow-up isn't annoying. Silence is what is. Leak number six, you ignore your existing clients. Your easiest money is from people who already trust you. But many med spas focus so hard on new leads that they forget rebooking, they forget upsells, they forget referrals. Well, but the fast fix for this is that you should have post-treatment follow-ups for all your customers. You should have automated rebooking reminders. You should have referral incentives, something to make them refer you. You should have systems because retention always beats acquisition. Leak number seven, you have no clear offer. If your offer sounds like book now for glowing skin, the truth is that's not an offer. The first fix for this is you should have a clear offer. And a clear offer includes who the offer is for, what they get, the time frame, risk reversal, specific offers. Yeah, because these are what converts faster. Leak number eight is you're not tracking what's actually working for you. So if you can't see what's working, well, you keep guessing. And most med spas don't track. They don't track the lead sources. They don't track the conversion rates. They don't track the cost per booking. A fast fix for this is simple dashboards, weekly reviews. You can kill what doesn't convert because data always beats opinions. Well, quick recap. You should plug these first. Here's where to focus this month to plug the leaks in your med spa. Well, fix first contact experience, respond faster, add follow-up automation, retain your existing clients, clarify your offer, Do this before spending more on ads and marketing. If you feel like you're working hard but not seeing the results that you feel you should get, your bucket is probably leaking. It's not your efforts. If you want help plugging these leaks in your MedSpa marketing system, please check the link in the description or comment "fix it" below and we'll reach out to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll share how to increase MedSpa revenue without spending more on ads. See you in the next one. Cheers.